young ambitious girls, don't let them take advantage of you. Know your value.
Umuco wacu, umuco wacu, umuco wacu yemwe, wiwusiga icyasha, n'umurage mwiza twahawe, uharanira ubupfura, nawe n'ibyawe, nawe n'ibyawe.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy MC Prosper. I'm hereby presenting you a very beautiful blind consolation. Igihozo cy'abageni. I met a thief. A thief stole my heart. I met her on the seashore. Her lips looked like the one I saw from a heavenly blessing angel. Oh, beautiful bride, your love will strengthen his eagerly wanting heart. A husband is not a thunderstruck. A husband is not a lion. It will not kill you to work. It will not kill you to grind the grain. No, will it kill you to wash the pot. It will not kill you to wash the bread. Nor will it kill you to gather the firewood. Like your aunt, like your mom, like your big sister, like others. Here is your beloved husband. Give him your right hand and show him a sign of love, a sign of respect, a sign of appreciation, an everlasting love. Let him hold your left hand to show you he loves you more. Allow him hold an appropriate finger to thrust a shining ring, a chosen one from even a bigger market in the country. He spent a lot of time choosing that which can fit you. He loves you more. He loves you more. Love him more in return. Walk hand in hand with each other. Look behind. Look in front of you. Look at your left side. Look at your right side. Here are your mothers-in-law, your fathers-in-law. We are too many. We've come to support you. Glare in our hands. Glare in our hands. We hold very enormous gifts. And those are for you. We even hold very beautiful flowers in our hands as a sign, as a token of our appreciation and support. We've come to support you. Allow the priest and let him implore God to send you a heavenly blessing angel to bless your love. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening to me attentively. This was your boy MC Prosper, who was presenting you this beautiful blind consolation. Igihozo cy'abageni. Thank you. I love you.
Kanjogera injongi oya mama we